Hello everyone. We all are very well aware of what all is happening around us. So much of chaos, so much of sadities. It's like a saga of sorrows, bad things, bad news, fear, helplessness all around. I know there is no family untouched this time during this second wave of corona. COVID is affecting lives of people, and yes, now we can say that the life is never going to be same again for anybody, for a majority, I guess. What has happened should not have happened, but we can't help it. It all has happened now. So what next? How to cope with it? How to make ourselves aware कि what is happening, how to react, what to do, what not to do. It's like a mess. It's like all, and the people who are suffering, who are in the real tragic zone, they are really suffering lots. You cannot imagine a person who has lost a family member, a member who won't be answering your calls, a family member when you will call them, they're not saying yes bolo हाँ beta, yes. You're not going to hear all that. This big loss cannot be overcome, cannot be, you cannot create a human being again. That's where your capacities, they end. It's one thing which we cannot do, but we have to survive. All of us can't commit suicide. ऐसा नहीं है कि इससे भागकर हम कुछ और कर लेंगे, रहना तो हमें यही है. I would like to quote a sentence from Franklin. He once said that when the situations are out of control, you have to challenge yourself to change yourself, because you cannot change the circumstances. वो तो जो हो चुका है, that has already happened. You cannot change it. What you can change is you yourself. It's easier said than done. It's not easy to do this, but you don't have a choice. Then comes your attitude. You can change your attitude. And so many of you people must be hearing of what foolishness I am speaking, because I can understand, I can understand what a person is going through, but we don't have another option but to be resilient. Resilience is one superpower. If we are bestowed with it, if we have it within ourselves, we can cope this up. I consider it as a supernatural power. Being like a child, feel like a child, be as curious he is, be as courageous as he is, and have that agility. This is the key to return back to your own self. You have to be fragile, you have to be patient, and yes, the people who practice resilience, they can better cope with the situations. They are optimistic, they can restore the situations, and yes, they are more resourceful. You will have to take time. It needs a lot of energy, a lot of positive work that is to be done within you, so that you can practice this power of resilience. Resilience is not easy, but yes, if you have it, then you are an achiever. You can definitely consider yourself ki haan, if I am resilient, I can be back, I can bounce back. You would have heard the famous story of that oak tree and the weed. The oak, it always stood like it used to boost up. It was like that nobody can ever come over him, he can never be swayed off. That was the feeling of the oak, and he used to boost all that to the small weed growing side by. Somehow a storm, a very hard storm, hit that jungle, and the oak tried a lot to resist it but couldn't. The weed, it bent always with the wind, and yes, it remained rooted. So this is the thing, this is the key. You have to be rooted. You have to be rooted. You cannot escape. You have to be yourself. You have to be calm. You have to try it out. You will fail, it's okay. You will cry, it's okay. You will yell, it's okay. We are here. You can see, basically, if I tell somebody what to practice or what not, it has to be a very tailored approach. It has to be figured for that particular person. I cannot generalize it, but here I am to speak about on a general issue, what's happening all around and how can we react to it. So for that case, I can just say that feel whatever you are feeling. You have every right to cry, you have every right to feel bad, you have every right to have your blues, you have a right to have a bad day, but with the hope that it will be overcome. And everyone is there to help you out. We are always there. You can rely on us, you can cry, and don't worry, we are here to wipe off your tears. We'll try definitely. I don't know to what extent we can be successful, but we'll definitely give it a positive try. Praying happiness for everyone and sense of security that we all must get. We must imbibe whatever positive we can. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening.